Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we summarize a YouTube video using Google Gemini. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the demonstration. This is the Google Gemini screen, and this is one of my previous videos that I want to summarize now. To summarize the video, go to share and copy the link of the video. Now here just type summarize, then paste the link to the video. Send this message to Google Gemini so that a summarization can be generated. This is the summarized version of the video. If you wish to listen to the summarized version, you can go here and tap listen. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.